Hello and welcome to DeAngelo Contracting Services. I'd like to personally welcome you to the DCS family. Here at DCS, we pride ourselves on being the industry leader in infrastructure maintenance. It is through this sense of teamwork and pride that each and every one of you take every single day that drives the organization forward. Here at DCS, we believe that our employees are the heartbeat of this business. With safety, innovation, and customer service at the forefront of everything we do, we provide infrastructure maintenance services to state DOTs, railroads, commercial, and residential customers across the United States. Our teams are led by industry experts who are committed to maintaining the transit systems and ensuring safety and reliability of our infrastructure. Our mission at DCS is to provide the safest and highest quality infrastructure and maintenance contracting services in the United States. Whether it's extending the life of a valuable asset, ensuring the safety of the traveling public, we are dedicated to excellence in every project we undertake. So whether you're a new employee or an employee that's been with us, I thank you for your hard work, your dedication to not only DCS, but to our family. Welcome to DeAngelo Contracting Services, where quality, safety, and family values come together to create success.